Here's how easy it is to add LED strip lighting behind your flat screen TV.
Okay, so this was the most confusing part of this kit for me, is that it says you get 4 strips of LED lights, but you just really get 1. So you need to go down the strips, and about every quarter of the way, there's actually a section where there's a break in the peel on the back, and it pops apart. So you're gonna create 4 different strips just by separating this one strip. So then you can see on the back of each strip, it just peels off like tape, and you're going to adhere it to your TV. So be sure that when you are selecting your spot, you keep in mind that this end is gonna have to plug into a USB, so you have to select a spot that is close to where you have a HDMI port. So keep in mind that this does have arrows, and you want all the arrows to go in the same direction. Counterclockwise or clockwise, it doesn't matter, they just need to be consistent on your project. At each corner, you will use one of these connectors to connect the pieces, and you line up where there's a plus with the plus on the connector.
That's how easy it is to add. Super easy. Just remember to keep the arrows all going in the same direction, and you can use the little included adhesive back clips to clip back anything that's flopping around. Super easy, super inexpensive upgrade. Enjoy the lights as ambient lighting, or while you're watching TV, or for party mode. Look at those colors. Wah wah. Check out this DIY and more at charlstoncrafted.com.